What is robotics? Types of robots in different industries. Advantages and disadvantages of robots. How will the future of robotics impact the world? What's the use of artificial intelligence in robotics? How will robots transform our future? How to get started with robotics. Career options in robotics. Future of robotics. All you need to know in 2024. We might picture sci-fi-inspired humanoid automatons when we think about robots. Numerous types of robots are in use today, even though these particular ones are still largely imagined. However, what are robots? How will they alter the world exactly? The future of robotics might be conducting operations from halfway across the world and visiting extraterrestrial worlds in 2030. The future of travel, employment, and adventure is being shaped by robotics, one of the disciplines of technology developing the fastest. Things are getting even better thanks to ancillary developments in AI, computing, and IoT. Several innovative robotics technologies will play a significant part in daily living. The online courses for data science will help you develop the ability to create data science and machine learning models so that you can attract the attention of businesses by assisting them in using the potential of big data. What is robotics? The area of engineering known as robotics is concerned with the creation, design, building, use, and application of robots. Future robotic technology is an automatically operated machine that performs a series of activities independently and completes tasks typically completed by humans. Robots don't necessarily look like people, though some do. For evidence, look at pictures of vehicle manufacturing lines. The term androids is frequently used to refer to machines that resemble human traits. It's not always the case, even though robot designers try to make their inventions look human, so people feel more comfortable around them. Some people find robots unsettling, particularly those that resemble people. Types of robots in different industries. Consider the self-serve pump the next time you stop for gas to get an idea of how robots transform our daily lives. When gas stations first appeared, it wasn't easy to envision such improvement. Now that they are available, Americans living in rural areas can use these robots. That is just one illustration of how the future of robotics and artificial intelligence will change our lives. Leading tech companies constantly compete to improve how robotics are incorporated into people's daily lives, which will pave the way for an incredibly exciting future. 1. Healthcare. We're also considering a new future of robotics in healthcare. We'll have intelligent robots performing these jobs instead of going to a primary care doctor, who will examine us using just a stethoscope. They will converse with patients, monitor their health, and decide whether or not they require follow-up sessions. More significant alterations will result from pharmaceutics. We can obtain the required meds without inconveniencing ourselves by disclosing the details of our medical conditions to a stranger using these medical ATMs. 2. Hospitality. AI and robots has also created many opportunities for the hospitality industry, with a wide range of applications that can enhance brand awareness, customer loyalty, and customer experience. Today, robots can perform certain skills, actions, and services more safely than people. Robot adoption is accelerating due to the demand for frictionless customer services, such as robotic food ordering and delivery. 3. Technologies. For a while now, the primary purchaser of robots for manufacturing jobs has been the technology sector. Power dynamics are rapidly changing. Automotive industry growth has been outpaced by that of the electronic industrial robots sector. Despite growing profit margins, robot automation is anticipated to be a successful idea for the electronics industry in the next few years. In this sector, customization is becoming standard. 4. Manufacturing. Robots were initially used in production, such as on automobile assembly lines. Material handling, steel cutting, arc welding, and food packaging are just a few activities that industrial robots can perform. The difficulties that manufacturing and construction are currently encountering are influencing robotics development. Robots are the ideal answer to these problems. One of the earliest industries to use robotics was manufacturing, which is still a prime contender for more automation. Many manufacturing operations are structured and repetitive, which makes it simple to incorporate robotics. By the 2030s, the future of robotics in manufacturing could be completely autonomous, from assembly to quality control, thanks to advancements in AI and the Internet of Things, IoT. Robot maintenance and operation will replace traditional jobs in this industry. 5. Household. Cloud-connected household robots in the future will make it easy for homemakers. We may program the vacuum cleaner to complete the task automatically, and we can plan for a nice home-cooked meal to be ready when we finish our workday. Robotic cookers can fry, steam, bake, slow cook, and perform any other operation without our assistance. They had only been set up. These cloud-connected robots will probably develop into more sophisticated models. In the coming years, we anticipate enhanced human interaction and voice comprehension. These changes could wind up completely altering how our houses look and feel. 6. Industrial. At the moment, industrial robots are flourishing. The difficulties that industry and construction are currently confronting are accelerating robotics development. For instance, the need for new homes and infrastructure has never been higher, even though the construction industry lacks an estimated 2.2 million people. Similar problems exist in manufacturing, where over 2.1 million open positions cost $1 trillion in lost revenue. The future of industrial robots is that they will most frequently be used in simple, repetitive industrial operations. Examples include welding, picking and packing, and other comparable tasks used in manufacturing lines. They provide consistency, precision, and quickness. 7. Logistics. Everyone wants the delivery of their online orders on time, if not earlier. Therefore, businesses use robots to stack warehouse shelves, retrieve products, and even make local deliveries. Self-driving cars become more intelligent every year, but they won't be common on the roads until the 2020s. Human randomness and AI computation present a difficulty for robotic transportation. With structured, predictable data, robots perform best. Human behavior is always unpredictable. Researchers working on autonomous vehicles are creating AI models that can react precisely and reliably to roadblocks, particularly people. Robot-powered automobiles could be on the road in major cities worldwide by 2030 is the future of robotics technology. These vehicles will improve policing practices, lower pollution, and facilitate travel. 8. Military. Recent breakthroughs have led to the deployment of robots by military forces worldwide in UAV, unmanned aerial vehicle, UGV, unmanned ground vehicle, triage, and surveillance applications. The robot can perform a greater variety of duties on the battlefield. We'll soon see completely new autonomous combat vehicles on the battlefield as these systems advance. 9. Travel. How might artificial intelligence and robots alter the way we travel? First, since they can recall information, automate operations, and multitask better than humans, robots could speed up check-in procedures, as numerous hotel chains are already doing. In the travel sector, robotic technology is quickly gaining popularity due to shifting consumer preferences for travel. Hotels, travel agencies, and other businesses are interested in automation robots because customers are increasingly looking for self-service options. 10. Entertainment. People are purchasing robots more frequently now for entertainment, especially during the pandemic. There are several well-known robot toys, robot restaurants, and enormous robot monuments. For quite some time, robotics has become increasingly prevalent in the entertainment sector. Even if you might not see them, robots are used in the entertainment sector. They do engage tasks, including working at points of sale and providing food in sporting venues. In the world of movies, robot use is also gaining popularity. 11. Space exploration. Robots like Sojourner and Perseverance are Mars explorers. Deep space probes like Voyager and Cassini, as well as the Hubble telescope, are categorized as robots. Exciting new developments in exploration, from the ocean depths to Mars's surface and beyond, are being driven by robotics. The difficulty of exploring new frontiers arises from the fact that these regions are inaccessible to humans without the aid of cutting-edge technology. One of the least researched regions in our region of solar system is the ocean, which may surprise some people. There may be entire species in the ocean's deepest regions that science has not even been able to name. In these regions of the deep, where the water pressure is much too intense for scuba divers to endure, robots are assisting explorers. Advantages and disadvantages of robots.